Hi, in this short demonstration overview, I'm going to show you how Plusspec will make you more efficient, more profitable, and will transform the way that you design and communicate. Although Plusspec will benefit you in many ways, there are three key reasons why it will change your business for the better, and the most important is design. Plusspec for SketchUp is the only 3D CAD software that you can actually design with. That's what it was created for, as a design aid, not as a drafting board. Our competitors are simply virtual drafting boards, not design tools. They use 3D models simply as a more efficient way to create 2D plans. At Plusspec, we have a completely different mentality. With Plusspec, you can design any type of building, from residential to commercial, from the simple to the complex, and you don't have to be a software guru just to be able to do it. Although you can achieve any kind of building with Plusspec, it has been specifically created for residential construction. The next key benefit that's going to transform the way that you do business is the ability to understand cost estimates and create feasibility studies. Plusspec allows you to automatically generate accurate cost estimates or opinions. Now, we're not saying that you're going to be sharing these cost estimates or opinions with your client or any outsiders, but the ability for you and your team to be able to be aware of project costs throughout the design process is huge. And as your design changes, you're going to be able to understand how it impacts your client's budget. Managing your project costs have truly never been this easy, and you can do it with the click of your mouse. Let's do it right now. As you can see, a comprehensive takeoff and cost estimate has been automatically generated. Every single thing that you draw with Plusspec is quantified, along with a cost estimate which you can control, and it's all being done behind the scenes, automatically. Until now, you have been using indicative cost estimates based on square meter or square feet rates, but this is highly dangerous and it is actually also extremely misleading. Now, this tool does not replace your need for a QS or estimator, but with Plusspec, you are now able to have a far greater control over your projects than you have ever had before. The third key benefit is how you can communicate with Plusspec. Your clients don't understand 2D drawings. Moreover, if you give a set of plans to three builders, you will inevitably get three differing interpretations, even if they're only minor. Everyone understands 3D, and Plusspec allows you to use your 3D model to clearly communicate with everyone. So you will be able to use your 3D model more than just for generating 2D plans. Although, of course, you can also create professional construction documents with SketchUp Pro. Plusspec is virtual design and construction. With SketchUp alone, you have a virtual 3D pencil, which is amazing. But with Plusspec, you have a virtual builder. Let's call him Bob. When you draw a wall with Plusspec, it's as if Bob has built it for you, and it's filled with information, which is BIM, Building Information Modeling. But it's also filled with structure, which is totally under your control. Not only does this lead to better design, after all, God is in the details, but it is also automatically generating your details in 3D. And there is no better way to communicate your design intent than showing them in 3D, and by them I mean your consultants and your builder. And the best part with Plusspec is that if you share your 3D models, you can communicate directly inside of the model. This is, or has a lot of benefits, because obviously you're able to virtually locate a comment and really locate it in the model where you need to make changes. This is perfect for when you're dealing with your consultants and your builder, but it's also an extremely powerful internal design team mechanism. So you can have your draftspeople or your architects liaising with the project managers. The project manager is able to sit down and view the model rather than ciphering through dozens of pages of 2D plans and sections and elevations. And because it's visual, you will never forget it. Moreover, you can date stamp them. You can assign a status, you can assign it to a person, you can add location notes, and then obviously notes themselves. And then you can contain reply comments and even information that you want to capture regarding costs. You're probably thinking that the structure and the 3D details shown in this model took a while to create, but thanks to Bob, your virtual builder, everything is actually automated as you design via the Plusspec tools. With SketchUp Pro, you can easily turn your 3D model into beautiful and professional 2D documentation. Your 3D model and your 2D drawings are actually one and the same, so when you make a change to your model, your 2D drawings are updated automatically. And the best part is that you have complete control over the look and feel of your drawings. To me, this brings back the art and soul of drawing, but it's more than just empty lines. 3D combined with 2D will change the way that you communicate.